Creatively designed by Brenda Lee. Live.
You still don't know the name of the channel.
Beautifully curated by Brenda Lee.
Right. Curated designs.
Beautifully curated designs by Brenda Lee. Take 3. I got it on the 3rd try.
Hello, hello, hello. I am back with another video. How are you guys today? Hope everyone is having a wonderful day as I am myself. Today, I am going to style my family room. Actually, I should be completing my formal living room. I started in the entryway and just abandoned it. However, I did a little switcheroo. I just couldn't figure out the vision for the rest of my living room. So, just for some reason, I don't know, I kept visualizing how I wanted my family room to look. So, I'll have to back up and take care of that soon. Now, I have a pattern that I usually follow, but you know how that goes when you get distracted. Child, just be all out of order. Everything around these parts lately have been so bare. And I was getting to the point where, you know what, I can't take it anymore. But it was okay because my eyes did need a break because I toured my house like probably every day, watching my um, storybook uh, decor spaces because they just appear to be so magical and so beautiful. I was loving it. But yeah, it's time for some action. Also, to be really honest, what really was taking me such a long time to get back to decorating was I was so scared of that frigid, freezing cold weather out there in my garage. That's where all my inventory is housed. So when I finally pushed myself out there, I had to bundle up coat, scarf, hat, almost my gloves, but I couldn't handle things with my puffy gloves on. But anyway, yeah, I had to put it on, take it off. Every time I thought of something different that I needed in the garage. So that was a bit much. Bundling up, you know, going back and forth, back and forth. And let me tell you, that weather was no joke. On one night, it even went all the way down to 12 degrees. I was like, OMG, seriously? Father God, can you please have some mercy on us? Oh, it was just like unbearable. So I'm finally able to create some magic today. Thank God. Now, let's jump into this video. But first, let me give a big shout out, thanks to everyone who took out the time to catch my video. Old, new, and yet to be subscribers. I'm so glad you're here. Hope you all know I really love having you guys here and I appreciate you so very much. If you haven't done so already, please do me a favor and take a moment, hit that like, subscribe, share, and comment button, and hit the notification bell so that you'll know that I uploaded a video. I usually upload every Monday. No Pacific time yet. I'll work on that. Comment below to let me know you are here hanging out with Brenda Lee. That's me here on my channel. Beautifully curated designs, curating unique spaces, one room at a time. We do home decor styling, clean with me videos, small DIYs, organization, and shopping hauls. So stay tuned, okay? And come on and join the fun. If you like these types of videos, be sure to stick around. I'd love to have you all hanging out with me. Alrighty. Okay, guys, so that's a wrap. And there's my magic for today. Hopefully, you enjoyed the video just as much as I enjoyed putting it together. I was so glad to be able to use some of my decor pieces that I bought like before Christmas. Some things I had a little longer, but I really enjoyed using them, and the space turned out lovely. So, thanks again, and I'll see you on the next video. Talk to you soon. Have a good night. Right. Oh,